This is outside, and I will now show you inside. Inside, this is the step door. Oh, see. Inside, yes, a lot of shopping mall, restaurant. This is the restaurant. I will check, I will take some. Oh, that's Malaspina Sky decks. This is the area where you have. So this is the inside up. So 2-story it is only for the parking. 1-story for passenger. This is a huge area. It is nice, views from inside as well. Now I will show you the decks from here. This still car is ongoing. Still maybe it will take few time. I think almost now. Cars filling the gap. Salty Bay, you can see it's written Salty Bay terminal. This is the live view that you can enjoy, how the car coming on the decks, small, big. There are people guiding them, and this is the ships. Hello, this is the ferry, another ship. It's a stunning, beautiful ferry. So almost it is now completed. Only 2 to 4, 5 cars. So they are just about to complete it. Now the next destination will be very quickly operation. Certainly they close, and now they will start to move up. You will see, I will show you directly from how the deck move. And how we will go for the next operation. How will detach from the roads this ships. See the wonder. No one has this type of tour and journey, especially in the short time I am showing you amazing every time new ferry. You see, this is how they work, how they just will detach. So live now it's going to very quickly operation. You see, 1 minute. Once it detach, make it up, green, done. That's it. So they have done their job. They have barricaded. They have make green signal to the pilot to leave, and pilot will leave very soon. And I will show you the detachment of ferry. You see, little detaching started. Engine is on now. Wow, see light. It started now. Yeah. So you see detaching live view. So we are leaving from Sultry Bay to the next destination. Bye Sultry Bay. Actually I wanted to see a lot of area, but I am just now moving to another location from Powell River. That's called from Lund Sunshine Coast. It's all area. It's called Sunshine Coast. So now it's directly moving. Stunning, beautiful. Wow, amazing, really. Fast, it catch the full speed. Wow, it's really very fast ferry.